Hey, it's Coach Rowe, and I just wanted to get on here real quick today. And first of all, thanks for jumping on. Obviously, the reason why you might have searched for Herbalife Shake is because something's telling you that maybe you should get started on it, or maybe you've heard some things, good or bad. Because as we know, whatever there's good, people are always going to talk bad about it. And a lot of times, people talk bad because they just don't know, or maybe because they just weren't successful, not because the product didn't work, but because they didn't work at using the product. So I just want to congratulate you for at least taking a look at maybe improving your life. Now, I don't know if Herbalife is for you. I really don't. I can tell you this, I know it's for me. You know, I worked in a prison for 10 years, and I sometimes work long shifts, and I didn't always eat right. And my mom and dad actually told me about the Herbalife product. And I said, what if this works? You know, because I've been into working out and taking products and stuff, but I never knew what was in them. So I got started on the Herbalife product, and you know, I never looked back. It's the only thing I've purchased for the last 25 years. I'm gonna be 56 years old in a couple months. I feel great, and I can really contribute that to using the products and plus taking care of myself. But as we know, 80% of the wellness and living a healthy lifestyle is putting in the proper nutrition, and we don't always have time to do that. So that's why these are so good. That's why I believe in these shakes so much, and it's the #1 meal replacement shake sold in the whole nutritional marketplace. So listen, what I want to do real quick is I just want to get on here and share with you how simple it is, because a lot of people say, well, I don't have time to make a shake, but yet they'll wait in line at the coffee shop for a donut and a coffee. You know, as we know, a lot of times you go to the coffee shop and the line's going around the building, but the parking lot's empty, and we're willing to wait. And a lot of times we don't eat breakfast because we're on the run, so if we could just have a healthy shake for breakfast just to get us going, it could make your day so much better. So I'm just gonna show you how simple it is to make a shake. And you got to remember this, if a prison guy can do it for 25 years, anybody can, because it's got to be simple. So first what you do is you want to put about 8 ounces of water. And look, I'm just using a cheap blender. You can get all kinds of different blenders. I have a Vitamix up there, but I want to just show you how easy it is just with a simple blender like this, because we can't always buy those $400 or $500 blenders. So listen, the first thing I'm going to put in is called the protein drink mix. Now the protein drink mix adds additional protein. It adds an extra, so you can get 17 to 14 grams per shake, depending on your protein needs and what you're looking for. So I just put one of those in there real quick. And then I'm using cookies and cream. We actually have 10 different flavors that you can use, so you never get bored. And guess what? If you put more than one, you know, you put a heaping scoop, the scoop comes right in it. If you mix them up, you can make different flavors. So there's really more than 10, but we have just 10 alone. So what you do is you just put 2 heaping scoops of that. The scoop's already in it. You just put the cover on like this. It's so simple, right? Now sometimes I'll pre-blend it a little bit just to mix it up. And then you just put some ice in. Now the ice, you'll have to decide what's good for you, because ice cubes are different size. So I just put some in, and then I make it according. So I just let it blend for a couple of seconds. Yep. This is so simple. It's so easy. Oh my gosh. Now, let me get a glass. I'm gonna get a glass because I forgot to get one, so hang on. So, I just went and got a glass. I came back. Now, watch this. Look at that. And that took me, what, about 10 seconds? 10 seconds. Man, that's amazing. It's a full meal replacement. It's 17 grams of protein and hardly any calories. So that's how simple it is to make a shake. I just wanted to show you guys that, because I hear so many times that people say, well, I don't have time. Listen, we got to stop the excuses and we start getting results. The only way we're going to get results is if we eliminate the excuses. And that's what I want to help you do. That's why I got on here, to help you, show you how easy to make a shake. So listen, if you don't know if it's for you, if you're saying, man, Roland, I've spent so much money on these other products before and they're sitting in my shelf, they're in the garbage, and I have to buy a whole month's supply just to try it. I don't know if I want to do that. No problem. We have a 3-day product experience pack that you can try, and it has 6 meal replacement shakes in it, so you can try it to see if you like it. So here's what I want you to do. If you're serious, if you really want to give this stuff a try and see if it's for you, my information's in the description. Click on the link, get your 3-day experience pack, product experience pack, and see if it's for you. And I'll coach you. I'll coach you for 3 days. I'll follow up with you through Messenger, text, or phone, whatever you prefer, for 3 days to make sure you get the results you want. So be sure to click on it. And listen, click on my Coach Rowe page, therealcoachrowe.com. You can join that. My Facebook page. I'm here to help people. I'm here to make a difference. So here's what I want you to do. Get the experience pack and see if it's for you. My name's Coach Rowe, and I'm telling you this. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. We can change lives. Thank you, and make it a great day.